Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Y'all can see behind me, guys. See that right there? Young's Automotive. Mr. Barry Snipes, he works for a plantation, and he had to come over here and get a battery. And he called me this morning and said they got some challenge coins in there, and he saw a Puma fixed blade knife. So I got to go in there and check this out. It ain't but like 12 miles from my house, so it's really, really cool. So I'll be going in there and see what kind of other knives they have and looking at the challenge coins. So thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey y'all.
Hey, are you from here?
I'm from Ellaville.
Okay.
Hello. I'm gonna look at your challenge coin. I heard y'all got some knives too, buddy. Wow. What y'all want for this knife here?
My brother Mitch worked at Mr. Larry's place.
Oh, really?
The Puma right there.
Should have it. This one?
That one right here.
This one right here?
What is that one right there?
I'm gonna ask him because there's one price.
Can I see it?
Yeah, yes sir. Which one you want?
The
This
Puma.
one?
And put that one up top too.
I love my father-in-law. I tell you, he was a man. He was. You know the prices for these knives? No, I do not. That just showed up in volunteer the other day. I don't know. I don't know. They're showing stuff showing up. But
Look at there. What is this one?
And then when she got back, she asked me, Larry, Larry, Daddy, you gonna give me one? He said, no, I gave you away one time. You gave me back.
Oh, yeah. Check that out.
So these knives are for display.
Oh, they're not for sale?
Yeah, they're not.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they just got put up here this morning. We didn't even know about them until you really came over here. I didn't really look at them myself.
For display only,
Yeah,
huh?
and the coins are. They're just for display.
So the coins ain't for sale? Dude. But this is for sale, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wow, man. I was hoping to
I wouldn't have even been
buy this thing.
wouldn't have even been over here if I wouldn't known. But
Wow. That's crazy. So all these are going to be just full of knives just to look at?
No, well, we're getting ammo.
Ammo.
Yes, we're getting gun ammo.
I got you.
You know Armageddon gear?
Armageddon gear.
We're getting some of their gear.
Oh, yeah. Right down the road here. Well, let me see that fixed blade here. I've seen, that's a more maker right there. Yeah, that's cool.
Is it really?
Yeah. Well, the sheath is. I don't know if the knife is.
We're hanging out there, and
Can't really see if it's
my girlfriend,
U.S. Man. So he don't want to sell that one, huh?
He probably would, but it's different with him not being here, you know?
Yeah. And who is this?
Steve Young is the one that owns this now.
And does he from the Ellaville?
No, well, he lives out here, actually,
Okay.
but his daughter runs it.
Okay.
Because he works full-time in Savannah.
Okay. So where are these going to be at in the store?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, but
I literally had no clue they were even here until...
I got you. So these ain't for sale, and the knives ain't for sale.
These and this and this.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, that's cool, buddy. Because I collect these and I collect knives. And somebody just come in and bought the battery from y'all and said that he's got some knives up here in challenge coins. So we come right over here. But I will buy this sheath right here, though, for $4. Yeah. Yeah, that knife goes with that sheath right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice knife right there.
Yeah,
Sure is. Here. See what this is. Made in USA. I'll buy that one right there. I want the Leatherman here. It's got US sugar. See, one thing about these now, if it don't have USA on it, you know, you'd be able to guarantee they're made in the USA, which they still are built in the USA. Yeah. But if they don't have USA on them now, they're made with imported parts. Yeah. So, but that's cool. It's still a great tool, though. But I don't see USA on there at all. I'm gonna check the blade just to be sure. Yeah, it's nice though. Very cool, buddy. So how much I owe you for that one? All right. Never seen one like this before. It's like a Victorinox. You know it? Yeah. Made in the USA. Well, thank you, buddy. Yes, sir. You have a great day, man. You too. They got some lodge up here too. That's old. That's been here a while. You can tell how the stuff is faded. That ain't but $24 right there. That's old pricing. That's what you love about these old stores like this. Been in business for a while. They just changed the ownership, guys, but it's Young's Automotive now. So you ever in Buena Vista, come by and check out Young's Automotive right here on the square, right across the street from the courthouse. Right there. Hoorah. Well, guys, they're supposed to be letting me know about the Puma. I want that thing so bad. It's beautiful, ain't it? I don't know what they'll be asking for it, but I was prepared to buy it when I come up here. Okay, guys, here are the two items I just bought at over in Buena Vista. It's about 12 miles from me. It's Young's Automotive. They're under new management. It used to be Miller's Automotive, but there's an auto parts place. But this was new old stock, guys. You see this buck sheath? It wasn't but $3.95, and you see it's for $137 right there. And that is called a Steelmaster. It's a retractable sharpening rod. Here it is right here. But now I got to find me one of those to actually go in this sheath right here. But the sheath looks brand spanking new. And this one here, guys, is a USA made Schrade. See right here. It's probably made in the United States. But this is just like the Victorinox Classic. It's got a pen blade. It's got a pair of scissors. But it's got the man forging knife on the anvil right there. But you see it's brand spanking new. But you got your little pen blade here, and you see it's right there, Schrade. Very, very cool. There's your nail cleaner with a nail file. Then here's your scissors right here. Ain't that awesome? Brand spanking new, guys, for $5. I just couldn't pass these up, guys. Brand spanking new. Can't beat it. It's called the Captain. So DL2 pocket knife. See what kind of steel. I'm sure it's stainless. It says impact resistant, high resolution Duralens handle, shaving sharp, rust resistant blades, and scissors of Schrade plus steel. Very, very cool. But that's it right there. The Captain. Awesome. But less than $9, guys. I got these two right here. And I'm going to also show you my latest eBay purchase that's going to go into my Remington display case. It's absolutely a gorgeous knife. Better looking in person. But here it is right here. It's a silver bullet collector's edition bullet knife, one of 5,000. And that's the serial number on it right there, 4726. It's engraved on the bolster. You see here, I think this was made by Camillus right here. And there it is right there. See, it was $90. I think that's the original sticker right here. This was made back in '89, guys. It's got the original paperwork. These are the Trapper bullet knife. Ain't this awesome? Awesome. Original paperwork. And here's the registration certificate right here. Never been filled out. And check this out, y'all. Look at this bone right here. Ain't that gorgeous bone? Look at there. Sterling silver. See it right there? Sterling silver. Remington. Look at that. Beautiful bone, lanyard hole. Ain't that gorgeous, guys? And Mr. Aaron over at AW Custom Designs put me on this knife. I only gave $68 for it on eBay. That was a steal, guys. They're usually over $100. Starting out. Or buy it now. Just a beautiful, beautiful knife. Let's see, that's the spade blade. Large Trapper, see it's got 1989 on it. And it's got the Remington UMC. Again, the UMC on Remington, guys, stands for Union Metallic Cartridge. That was an ammo company back in the late 1860s or early 1870s. They merged with Remington in 1912. And then Remington started making bayonets for the First World War. But then they started making knives for the public in 1920. And they was up to, I forgot what my book says. Let's see. See, guys, they were making, quality remained high, as did production. 10,000 knives per day were made by the Bridgeport factory at the beginning of the 1930s. But the Great Depression took its toll, and the failure of a large number of Remington distributors and dealers brought a financial difficulty to the manufacturer. In 1933, controlling interest in the company was sold to E.J. DuPont Company. That's when DuPont started putting their name in the circle on where the UMC was. And then in 1940, Powell Cutlery bought Remington out, and they started using the Remington parts. But guys, they were one of the biggest makers in the United States at one time, and their quality was really high. But you see this one. This is beautiful, and it's number 4,726 out of 5,000. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. But this is going to be going in my display case today. I love it. Want to appreciate Mr. Aaron for putting me onto this. I got it for an awesome price for it's either 63 or 68 bucks. Here it is right here. But beautiful, beautiful knife, guys. Awesome. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just want to thank Mr. Barry Snipes for calling me and letting me know about Young's Automotive. I rode by there the other day on the way to Columbus and noticed that they were changing the sign out. It used to be Miller's Automotive, but now it's Young's Automotive. And unfortunately, the knives in there they have and the challenge coins are not for sale. They're for display only, but I'm going to keep bugging the owner about that Puma knife. But I did wind up finding that Schrade USA made, new in the box, and that buck sheath is the buck 137 for the Steelmaster. It's actually a retractable steel honing rod. I'm gonna have to find me one on eBay. I'm looking at one, so can't wait to get that in and put that in with the sheath. I'm also looking at another knife on eBay. I'll be doing a live bid on that today, and hopefully I'll win it, and I'll be sharing that with you in tomorrow's video. But in tomorrow's video, guys, I will be out hunting for knives. I'm gonna be with my son Austin and Valerie, my wife, so it's gonna be fun. Cannot wait. And I'll be hopefully I'll win that knife too. I can't wait to show y'all what I'm looking at to buy. Very cool. I don't have one of these. I don't even have that kind of a knife, so I can't wait, and hopefully I'll get it at a good price. And I'll show you what they're listed for in my book, Mint, now back in 2008. So that'll be in tomorrow, all in tomorrow's video. Well, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
Rolling down the highway with my darling by my side. Got a rusty truck, but it's a sweet, easy ride. We're chasing down the past where the old finds new life. Living for the stories where the flea market type. I'm the knife doctor, she's my antique queen. We roam through dusty towns like outlaw dreams.